Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming supply chains? Let's dive into the future. From predictive analytics to automated warehouses, AI is making supply chains smarter, faster, and more efficient. AI analyzes tons of data to predict demand accurately, helping businesses stock up on what's needed, when it's needed. With AI, companies can manage inventory in real time, reducing waste and ensuring the right products are always available. AI-powered robots handle tasks like sorting and packing, speeding up the process and cutting down errors. AI optimizes delivery routes, saving time and fuel costs, and ensuring faster delivery times. AI predicts potential disruptions by analyzing global events, so businesses can prepare and adapt quickly. In a world where efficiency and speed are key, AI is the game changer for supply chains, making them more resilient, agile, and customer-focused. Excited about how AI is shaping the future? Hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights.